The Masters Golf Junior irons are the ideal addition to any junior club set. They come in clubs from 5-iron through pitching wedge and sand wedge and are packed full of technical features. The stainless steel irons have a weighted perimeter to increase the size of the sweet spot, while the specially designed face makes hitting the ball easier. All the irons feature a broad sole, giving lower center of gravity and more weight behind the ball. They're color-coded into age groups, starting with the Pro Gold for 12 years plus, the Mercury for 9 to 11 years, Surf for 6 to 8 years, and the Blaze for 3 to 5 years. The clubs also come in a girls option, the Lilac for 9 to 11 years, and Pink for 6 to 8 years. And they all come with graphite shafts. So what are you waiting for? Give your little ones the best start possible and pick up a set of Masters Junior irons.